Filing out the statement of net worth. A guide to completing financial disclosure in divorce. Don't panic. The statement of net worth is a one-size-fits-all form. Only answer the questions that apply to you. Understand monthly expenses. All boxes refer to monthly payments. For yearly expenses, divide the total by 12. Example, a $6,000 vacation, $500 month. Know the difference. Expenses equals monthly payments, e.g. a mortgage payment. Assets equal what you own, e.g. on house bank accounts. Debts equals what you owe, e.g. their total mortgage balance. List all accounts. Even separate property, like a family inheritance, must be listed. Failure to disclose accounts can lead to penalties. Gather your financial documents. Before completing the form, collect pay stubs and tax returns, bank and retirement account statements, loan and mortgage records. Be honest. Leaving out assets or income can lead to fines or even a ruling against you. Courts take financial disclosure very seriously. The attorney's role. Lawyers can subpoena records to uncover hidden assets. Even crypto transactions can often be traced. Court's power to enforce. If assets are hidden, a judge can issue penalties, award more assets to the innocent spouse, sanction the dishonest party. Next steps: settlement or trial. Most cases settle before trial. If not, a judge decides asset division and support. Court battles are costly and stressful. Settling is often the best option. Need help with your divorce? Call Port and Sava for a free 15-minute consultation. 516-352-2999.